Hi everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. We're outside today. I'm gonna weld this patch in this door here. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. My normal helmet has quit working on me, so I've got this handheld bugger. Let's give it a go, shall we? Not working too bad. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, Daddy-o. Paper thin. Make a minor adjustment on the machine here. Let's try that. Much better. Nice. Get that poked down. Come on now. Alrighty then. So, this is going to be tricky with one hand, but I think I can do it. Tap a tap tap. Jeez. I don't know if I can get that clamp around over there or not. Negative, negative, negative. So, that's going to need a bit of a bang. There we go. Yes, sir. So I hope you were able to follow along yesterday. I was down at Ian's place there. We're getting that 68 Chevelle fired up. I'm gonna be welding on some automatic dumps on that so that you can operate them from inside the cab of the car. And Ian's getting that 75 all stripped down. And soon we'll be back working on the Hearst Old. He's got more body work to do on that. We're going to be doing some painting. Going to be some grinding and whatnot and shaping here, that's for sure. Kind of like trying to weld two pieces of Kleenex together. Ah, very good. I was hoping I'd be able to get that hook in. Just like that. Wherever she's touching, that's where you nail her. Some of that is pretty thin. Using a gasless flux core here, so the wind doesn't bother it. There. Sometimes it just takes a little sleight of hand almost. Almost need to cut that a little bit. We're going to leave it as is for the time being. That ought to do her for now. I'll let you come in and have a closer look at this. See what a mess I made. Working outside here. I'm finally feeling a little better. So I gotta do a little bit more grinding, and this bottom piece has to get, I gotta recut this across, down, and cut this whole piece off, and I'm gonna weld that on as well. Then I gotta fill in all the way around, but the dent is gone. That's gonna look really nice. Anyways, bye for now.